Tired of seeing those sweet cashback rewards sitting idle in your Rocket Money account? You're not alone. We all want to enjoy those hard-earned savings, right? But how exactly do you cash out your Rocket Money rewards every single day? Well, I'm here to break it down for you. In this video, we'll explore the different cash-out options available through Rocket Money and discuss the best strategies for maximizing your rewards and enjoying them whenever you please. For those unfamiliar, Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money by identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions, negotiating lower bills, and tracking your spending. One of its most popular features is the cashback program, where you earn rewards for shopping at participating retailers. Before we dive into the cash out everyday aspect, it's crucial to understand that the frequency of cashing out may vary depending on the chosen method and the specific terms of your Rocket Money account. Now, let's explore the primary ways to cash out your Rocket Money rewards. Direct deposit. This is often the most convenient option. You can typically link your bank account to your Rocket Money account and schedule direct deposits of your accumulated rewards. Pros: easy to set up, automated, and funds are directly deposited into your bank account. Cons: may have a minimum payout threshold. The actual deposit schedule might not be daily, depending on your bank's processing times. Check by mail. Some platforms offer the option of receiving a physical check. Pros: simple and straightforward for those who prefer traditional methods. Cons: can take longer to receive compared to direct deposit. Mail delivery times can vary. Gift cards. Many platforms allow you to redeem your rewards for gift cards to popular retailers. Pros: great for instant gratification and can be used immediately at your favorite stores. Cons: limits your spending to specific retailers. May not offer the best value compared to cash options. Donate to charity. If you're feeling charitable, you can often donate your rewards to a chosen charity. Pros: supports a good cause and provides a sense of fulfillment. Cons: you don't receive any monetary benefit for yourself. Address the cash out everyday challenge. Now, let's tackle the cash out everyday challenge. While true daily cash outs might not be feasible with all methods, here are some strategies to maximize your reward redemption frequency. Choose direct deposit. As mentioned earlier, direct deposit is generally the most efficient method. Tip: if your bank allows for frequent transfers, you might be able to schedule small, daily, or near-daily deposits. Utilize gift cards strategically. If you're a frequent shopper at certain stores, redeeming rewards for gift cards to those retailers can provide a sense of daily gratification. Tip: if possible, choose gift cards to stores where you frequently make small, everyday purchases. Track your rewards accrual. Keep a close eye on your reward balance. This will help you plan your cash outs and ensure you're redeeming them regularly. Consider a hybrid approach. Combine different methods. For example, schedule weekly direct deposits and redeem smaller amounts for gift cards as needed. It's important to note that minimum payout thresholds. Many platforms have minimum payout amounts for direct deposits or checks. Processing times. Even with direct deposit, there might be a slight processing delay before the funds reach your account. Platform-specific rules. The specific cash-out options and their associated terms and conditions may vary depending on the platform you're using. Always refer to the Rocket Money Terms of Service for the most accurate information. To maximize your rewards and increase your cash-out frequency, utilize the Rocket Money Card. If available, use the Rocket Money Card for eligible purchases to earn even more cashback. Take advantage of promotions. Keep an eye out for special promotions and bonus offers that can significantly increase your earnings. Refer friends and family. Many platforms offer referral bonuses, allowing you to earn extra rewards when you refer friends and family to the platform. In summary, while true daily cash outs might not always be possible with every method, you can significantly increase your reward redemption frequency by choosing the most suitable cash out method for your needs, utilizing a combination of methods, tracking your reward balance closely, taking advantage of platform promotions and bonuses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.